a blessed day and a pleasant afternoon. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of Gatchawin High School for the school year 2022-2023. Graduation is the most important occasion in a student's life, and since it is the end of the stage in our education, it brings us a mix of joy and sadness. Joy for reaching our goals, and sadness for saying goodbye to the people who became a part of our lives. To our alma mater, who provides us with the value we must use to confront the future without fear. I praise and thank God for all of His blessings. Thank you, dear teachers, for the knowledge you have given us and all the lessons you have shared with us. And also, to all parents, family, and friends for their love and support. This is a milestone for us, which is why we are glad you can be here with us today. I have been one of the students who has waved our section's flag over the previous few months. But as we left this room, it seems right to pass down the title of Isaiah to others. We no longer hold the sections that we once fought for, spent time on, and did everything to leave a magnificent legacy for the next generation, to be called Isaiah, Jeremiah, Nehemiah, Zechariah, and Obadiah. To my co-students, I want to welcome you to your next step in life. On your next journey, you will experience far more suffering. Only you yourself can determine if you will fall back or fight back. But I have no doubt you'll be able to cope with everything and eventually accomplish each of your goals. Like stars, they glow in the deepest blue. Keep in mind that you should never cross the bridge of life backward. We will face numerous mistakes, difficulties, disappointments, and obstacles along our life journey that are intended to break us down and prevent us from achieving what we desire. No matter what challenges comes our way, I encourage everyone to never look back at the past, but instead, keep on working to alter the future. True success requires time, energy, and effort. Before I finish my speech, I'd like to leave everyone of you with a motivational phrase. Our life is like a paper. Yes, our life is like a paper. You can touch anything you like, crumple it up, tear it up, or make a stunning origami out of it. Now, it's up to you to decide if you want to live your best life or one filled with pwede na to or okay na yan. Choose wisely, my co-students. As results stated, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Remember that life may be unjust in certain aspects, but you can control it to make it pleasant and convenient for you. Let us all eradicate the word disappointment. Congratulations to the class of 2023. I look forward seeing you all shine brightly in the future. And so, my dear parents and honored guests, on behalf of graduating class, I'm Jamil M. Manazon. It is my pleasure to welcome you to witness this year's graduation ceremony.